We're going to get on with the first sound, and we brought the camera in so you can see exactly what I'm doing with my lips and teeth and everything. First thing I'm going to do is take off the barrel with the mouthpiece on it. Okay, I'm going to take the body and I'm going to lay it down on the ground. And it's a big deal that you want to lay it down. A lot of kids put it right on the ground, pointing straight up, and let it go like that. They walk away, and that's just waiting for somebody to hit it and knock it down. You could actually bend the keys and it may not play for you, and it happens all the time. So whenever you put it down, you want to take it and put it on the ground so it can't fall over. All right, so we have the mouthpiece. What we're going to do is we're going to take the reed and place it on the lower lip, which is covering the teeth, like a pillow right above the teeth. You don't have to be really stretched and that, just barely like that. And what we're going to do is just put about 1/2 inch of the reed resting on the pillow like that. Okay? Okay, the next step, second step, is what I call Bugs Bunny teeth. It's very simple. You put teeth touching the black part about 1/2 inch in. So, pillow. Okay, pillow and teeth. Okay? And the third thing is you're just going to tighten up all the muscles around here and then blow. And you should be able to make a sound. It should sound like this. And you want to make a sound that's sustained, which means long. Don't try to go. You want to have the strength to make a long sound ultimately. So work on trying to make it maybe 5 seconds of sound. Pillow, teeth. Okay. Now we'll put that into the instrument and we'll just play that, and it'll sound a lot different. We're going to do the same thing with the barrel on the instrument now. We put it back on. We're just going to do the pillow, teeth, and lips. Okay, very simple. So pillow, teeth, and lips. Easy. Okay, now a few things about mouth position. If you take too little, you won't get enough air through because you'll be clamping the reed against the mouthpiece, the plastic part. If you take 1/2 inch just right, you're going to make the tone. If you take too much, you're going to make a squeak. Now, a squeak is bad tone. It sounds like this. Okay? Actually, kids sometimes like to make that sound. I discourage it. Your parents won't like it. Your teacher won't like it. Your friends won't like it. Just work on making the good tones. Okay? All right, so that's it. Making your first sound.